In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF in Squarespace. Unfortunately, since Squarespace doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to focus on the tools section on the right hand side. Then if you go about halfway down, you will see PDF embed right here. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the PDF viewer widgets page. From here, I want you to click on create widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the PDF template section. So on the left hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different PDF templates that you can choose from, and then on the right hand side you also get a live and fully interactive preview of what the selected template would look like on your Squarespace website. Now bear in mind that these templates are fully customizable, so these are just default versions of them. We can actually customize pretty much any element that you see on the screen, and we can also add additional elements. I'm going to show you how to do all that in the next section. In my particular case, I want to embed an actual PDF that people can look at while they're browsing my website. However, if you want to just add a PDF that people can download or just preview, then you can go for a file list like this. In my case, like I said, I'm going to go for the embed PDF file here. Once you've selected the template that you want to go with, click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where you can start customizing your PDF to your likings. The first thing you want to do here is add your widget title. So I'm just going to add the name here just to show you where that would go up here. In my case, I'll just delete it because I don't think it's necessary. Then here you can go ahead and add your file. So click on add file here, and then just either add it by a link or just upload the PDF straight to Elfsight. It's very, very simple. In my particular case, I want to add one PDF, but in your case, if you want to add multiple, then click on add file here and just follow the process as many times as you want to. In order to delete the sample PDF file here, simply click on the three dots and then click on delete. It's very, very easy. Then on the left hand side here, you also see layout and appearance. These are some other customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your PDF widget before you implement it in your Squarespace website. So if you go to layout right here, at the moment, the layout is file viewer, but if you want to, you can go for a grid like this or a list. In my case, like I said, I want it to be a file viewer. Then you can change the file icon here to any of these. You can also disable it if you wanted to. You can change the preview image here. In my case, that doesn't apply. You can download settings. So if you want people to be able to download the PDF, you can have this button enabled right here. But if I just switch it off, you'll see that it basically disappears. Actually, it's this button right here that it's talking about. You can also obviously change the download link text. And yeah, you get the point of how this would work. Then in terms of appearance, you can change the colors and the fonts. And then if you want to, you can also add some JavaScript and CSS. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's all very self-explanatory. So feel free to browse through the different customizations. Make sure to customize the PDF to your liking. And once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on Add to Website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then you'll be taken to the page where we need to publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button. In my case, as you can see, it's grayed out because my widget is already published, but in your case, it won't be. So go ahead, hit publish, and then you'll be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating from Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, such as get more than 200 views on your PDF, or if you want to have more than one widget from Elfsight on your Squarespace website, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options that you can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you'll automatically be taken to this page here, which is where we can copy the code for the PDF widget that we just created. Click on copy code, and then let's head over to Squarespace so we can start integrating it. Now, as you can see, I'm already in my Squarespace website. I just clicked edit to get into the editor. And what I want to do from here is go ahead and add a brand new section for my PDF viewer. Click on that section here, and then add a blank section. Now, if your PDF is just a small button, you can add it to a different section or an existing section. It doesn't really matter, but in my particular case, I need to add a new section because my PDF viewer is quite big. So from here, click on add block in the top left corner of the screen and then search for code right here. Then click on code, and what that's going to do is add this code block to your Squarespace page. Double click on it. This is going to open up this window. Make sure the mode is set to HTML and make sure you delete this text and replace it with the code that we just copied from Elfsight. Close the window, save the website, and exit out of it. And there you have it. Here is my PDF on my Squarespace website. It looks super nice and clean. And as you can see, it's also fully interactive. Now, if you want people to be able to see the PDF in its entirety before having to scroll like this, what you need to do is go into the actual editor and basically just resize the widget until it basically fits the screen like this, so you don't have this scrolling ability right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a PDF in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.